In this video, I'll show you how to continue watching or how to continue playing videos on YouTube. Now, this feature basically allows you to have uninterrupted viewing of your videos across multiple devices. Now, let's say you are watching a video on your TV or on a computer. Once you close that video and come back to the YouTube app on your phone and launch it, you should be able to see this little pop-up down here, continue watching pop-up, and this will allow you to continue playing the video from where you left off on the other device. So as you can see, for me, I was watching these highlights, and for me to continue playing, all I need to do is just tap on play, and it's going to resume playing from where I left off, just like that. Now, this feature is available if certain conditions are met, and the first condition is you have to have logged in to the same YouTube account on both the devices, and you have at least the YouTube app open in one of the devices. Now, the other condition is you need to have a YouTube Premium membership to be able to enjoy this feature. Now, you can continue watching or playing a video. Also, doesn't necessarily have to the pop-up doesn't necessarily have to be down here. If you simply find that video or go to that video and play it, so let's say you are watching those highlights once again or playing another video, you should be able to see the progress bar or the progress line, this red progress line right here, and when you tap on a video like so, it's going to continue playing that video from where you left off, just like that. But that's basically how to use the continue watching or the continue playing feature on YouTube on your device. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your questions and comments down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.